Is it just me, or is it hard to agree with what you're trying to explain? I don't mind feather wings, no diamond rings, but that's not how you get to me, no.
So the sensory room at Roberts is a therapeutic setting for our students who have sensory integration issues. It's the highlight of our campus. We're proud of it.
Go ahead. There you go.
Some kids have to experience things in a different way. Those different senses of touch, feel, pressure, in order to be able to go on with the rest of their day.
If you feel stressed or literally tight in your body, you can walk in this room and you can find something that will help you calm down. Okay, so where are you going to go next? Let's think about it first before you go run off.
Because as they grow up, they're going to have to learn some of those self-soothing strategies in order to help themselves regulate in society on their own.
Go over the water. How about that? It's just a place where you can walk in and just explore and figure out what you kind of gravitate towards to help you feel more calm or more regulated.
It has been visited by surrounding counties of teachers to come and see what we have in place and how it works with our kids. And so it's an amazing therapeutic setting for our children.